Welcome. In this video, we are going to cover all the essay questions and short questions from Unit 1, Cell Biology. These explanations are taken directly from the official PDF, so you can use this as a complete revision guide. Let us begin. We will start with the essay questions. First essay question is about the ultrastructure of an animal cell. According to the PDF, an animal cell consists of the plasma membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. Inside the cytoplasm, we find several organelles such as the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, the Golgi complex, lysosomes, microtubules, and centrioles. Each organelle performs a specific role, and together they maintain life activities of the cell. The second essay question deals with the plasma membrane, its structure, composition, and functions. It is a double-layered lipoprotein membrane made of phospholipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Models like the Danieli-Davson model, the unit membrane theory, and the fluid mosaic model by S.J. Singer and G.L. Nicholson explain its structure. The membrane helps in transport, communication, and protection. The next essay question is on the fluid mosaic model. This model says that the membrane is fluid due to the lipid bilayer, and proteins float like icebergs. It explains flexibility, selective permeability, and the arrangement of proteins. Another important essay question is about membrane transport. The PDF explains osmosis, diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active transport, endocytosis, and exocytosis. The sodium-potassium pump uses ATP to move ions, which keeps the internal environment stable. The next essay topic covers cell organelles. Mitochondria produce ATP. The Golgi complex packs and secretes substances. The endoplasmic reticulum transports proteins and lipids. Lysosomes digest unwanted materials. Together, these structures ensure that the cell functions properly. You may also get an essay on cell theory. The PDF explains contributions made by Robert Hooke, Schleiden, Schwann, and Rudolf Virchow. The theory says that the cell is the fundamental unit of life. All organisms are made of cells, and all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Another essay topic is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotes do not contain a true nucleus or membrane-bound organelles, while eukaryotes do. They also differ in ribosome size, DNA structure, and cell division. The last essay question is about viruses, viroids, and prions. Viruses are non-cellular particles with DNA or RNA. Viroids are circular RNA molecules infecting plants. Prions are misfolded proteins that cause neurological diseases. Now let us move to the short questions. First short question: differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotes have no true nucleus and have 70 S ribosomes. Eukaryotes have a true nucleus and 80 S ribosomes. Second question: structure and functions of mitochondria. They have a double membrane, cristae, matrix, and circular DNA. They produce ATP through respiration. Third question: lysosomes. They are single membrane vesicles with digestive enzymes. They perform intracellular digestion and autophagy. Fourth question: ribosomes. They contain rRNA and proteins. In eukaryotes they are 80S, in prokaryotes they are 70S. Their function is protein synthesis. Fifth question: the Golgi complex. It modifies, sorts, and secretes proteins and forms lysosomes. Sixth question: the glycocalyx. It is a carbohydrate layer outside the plasma membrane. It helps in protection, adhesion, and recognition. 7th question, microvilli. They are finger-like projections that increase absorption surface area. 8th question, tight junctions, gap junctions, and desmosomes. Tight junctions seal cells. Gap junctions communicate. Desmosomes provide strength. 9th question, osmosis. Water moves from low solute concentration to high solute concentration through a semipermeable membrane. 10th question, active transport and the sodium-potassium pump. Active transport requires ATP. The pump moves sodium out and potassium into the cell. These are the complete essay and short questions from Unit 1, Cell Biology, along with quick and clear explanations based on the official PDF. Use this for fast, accurate, and effective exam revision. The full PDF link is available in the pinned comment. Best of luck for your examinations. Padmamhimam @MDC